ito na oh. Ayan na. How to get 3-star Brody or 3-star Gord using Veil 2. Una, pipindutan nyo yung gitna and sila lang yung lalapag yung tatlo and pakak! Ooh! Relax guys. Guys, relax.